tubers, and welcome to the Piston Alignment Workshop. I'm Matt, he's Andy, and we're back, long overdue, in our new location.
Secret location.
Yeah, new temporary secret location.
Yes.
While the studio goes under some renovations.
Refurbishment.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sounds more glossy.
We don't have enough room.
Well, it's full of your shit. Yeah, angles. Well, the majority of it's yours.
Anywho, we're back with finally the reveal and the review on the the calf racer. We did race it last weekend, so yeah, we missed a big chunk, but it was good. So
forgot the camera.
Yeah, forgot the camera. There's no actual videos. Well, there might be a couple of seconds, but no proper shoots. But we're a bit enclosed here, so I'm not gonna do the bike in here. I will insert some form of like
pawn shop.
Yeah, of the bike about here somewhere in the video. Edit it in. You'll walk around. That's the word. Yeah, walk around. So you'll get that.
How you get it in here? There's no room.
No, on the video.
Oh right.
Yeah.
Okay. Carry on.
I'll insert that here. Right, tubers. This is it. Apologies for the poor sound quality. I am out in the elements, but this is the finished bike. As you can see, it didn't turn out too bad in the end. After all the stress and worry we went to. Let's start off at the front. We'll do a bit of a tour around it. So, there's the bike shed vest covering the headlight. So that headlight's got a halogen bulb and then a LED halo ring surrounding it. Go around. Handmade mud guards. And that with the go faster shot. The train goes past. A twin disc setup on the front, anti-dive. Nice there. Forks, obviously. Then up to the top here. Clip-on handlebars. Had to have them for the calf racer to get the full effect. This is your binnacle. So everything in here, you got side light, main, head dip and main, a start button under there, and horn in the centre. Try and keep the handlebars as clear as possible on this. So we're just left with the grips. Then coming down, speedo sat in the centre of the tank there, fully digital. Now I zoom out and get this alley tank. Number 12, the number they gave me to race. The Mims, made at Miss N. That is what this bike is. Fully homemade. Out of all bits, as you saw in all the other videos. Bits of Suzuki. And it started life as a Yamaha. Even with some IKEA cabinet in there. And the other side. Sun's in my eyes here. Got the ignition on the side at the back here. See the key there. Built not bought. Certainly was. And come around that solo seat. Went for brown to match the grips. A bit different. You get your classic black all the times. And the rear light this gently tucked under there. Zoom back out a bit. On the side here, each carb has a ram air system. This is what I briefly explained in one video. See the gauze and out. Twin pipes come down into that classic Alpha 41 silencer there. Reservoir rear shocks. Chunky ass tyre in the back, and that's our number plate area. Floating on the back just to open up that back end a bit more. Let's go back round. This side now. Just drop round. Got a drilled chain guard on it. Give it another 70s feel. The homemade rear sets. Folding pegs. Had to have for the race as well. So that is basically our little race bike. Like I said, Don't know how the sound's going to be on this, but that's us. That's what we built ourselves in the shed. Raced it a living. Right, and now back to the temporary studio.
Okay, that was painful.
Yeah. So now you've seen it, that is the finished product. As you say,
Let us know in the comments what you think.
yeah,
About the bike and us.
it turned out pretty well. So, yeah, like I say, we went to Lyddon the other weekend. We
Got bladdered.
went for the weekend. We were racing on the Sunday, as you might have seen on the Facebook page. But we spent the Friday to the Sunday there, and as he said, we lived up to the pistol alignment name. So that was a right good crack. The weather,
Can't remember.
yeah. Saturday was better. It's a shame I weren't racing Saturday. It was overcast all day, but yeah, we had a wet race. But generally, cracking weekend. Nicely put on by the bike shed. We had a big posh tent. Stayed in that. Very, very nice.
Very nice.
Got a free cake and a coffee for breakfast.
Croissant.
Yeah, croissant. It was very fresh. Like our.
Are you going to empty that? Because I need to go. What?
I knew we were going again to.
Well, you need to go and empty that around the corner.
Well, that's the problem. There's no toilets down here.
No.
So, yeah, the race went well. There was lots of other different races. If you saw the rundown or if you went or whatever, good for you. Our race itself, there was qualifying in the morning. It was pissing it down, I'm not going to lie, until 10 o'clock. Had the rider briefing about then. And then went out. And just as I was on the start line, the Evans opened once again. But we did well. It didn't come off in the practice, which was a proper good goal of mine. And didn't come last in the qualifying. And this race, it was a bit unfair because we entered the CAF racer and the rookie race. Because I am a novice on the track. So, as I'm the one who was racing it.
So you probably built it.
Yeah, you didn't trust me with welding.
No, I didn't.
So, yeah, but the competitors had a bit more of a budget than we did. They were cruising around on brand new Triumph triples, BMW twins that were thousands of pounds. And the piston alignment is.
And them new Royal Enfields.
And the new
19 plates,
yeah,
they were.
Yeah, all 19 plates and beyond. The piston alignment budget doesn't spread that far. We have a.
No, the CAF racer is supposed to be what you got, you make it lighter and race it.
Yeah, which in turn is what we did. We made something what was a proper what the fuck bike.
Yes.
So we feel.
I think it didn't come out too bad actually.
No, we.
On the bike.
Yeah.
What the hell's that?
Interference.
Oh.
Told you, secret location, bad signal.
Oh, yeah.
So
This is well for problem.
yeah. Anyway, yes, the race. So we did our best in qualifying, and the bike performed really well. There's no denying that. It got to the grid. I was chuffed to bits with the bike. It was sweet. There was no issues. We took a big spares and toolboxes with us, and we didn't use anything bar. We lent out a hacksaw to the team next to us.
Yes.
That's how unprepared they were, and that's how spot on the Mims is.
Yes.
So then afternoon came and the rain had stopped but the track was wet. So we went out once again.
Mildly moist.
Yes. And I qualified at the back. I'm not going to lie because of the CT of the bike.
No, you drank yours already.
No, it's just up there. And
I'm losing it.
yeah, we were at the back. Not last, but we were at the back of the grid. From the
Get that bit in.
yeah.
Not last.
No, never last during the race.
No.
Last, but never last. The start was amazing. These boys on their 10 grand bikes didn't know what hit them when then Mims came screaming past. We made up several places by the first corner. Unfortunately, it was uphill after that. And
we didn't have the power.
Yeah, and we didn't have the power and I lost the places back. But I held position. It was about a 12 lap race. Yeah, like I say, it was dry, but the track was wet. Gave it all. The bike was on form throughout. It was a bit of just the rider, mainly, down to rider error. But, yeah, like I say, it didn't come off. It didn't blow up. And
well, you didn't do bad.
We didn't come last. No. And for the first time out, first ever proper frame-up build, we did really well out of it. So, the bike got so much interest. The bike shed did come up and even talk to us about the bike, which I'm hoping they'll publish somewhere. look in the
If
build.
they do, we will do a little mini video to let everyone know, so that then we'll send you a link to where it is, so
Yeah.
you can watch it. You see.
Yeah, it might appear in next month's Built magazine. Who knows? Because I don't know who was there. There was loads of people with
I thought you was
cameras.
buying Razzle today.
No, it sold out.
Oh.
Yeah. And I wasn't buying your Backstreet Street Heroes.
Why?
You can go down yourself and buy that.
No. Well, I just don't want buying it for you anyway.
They do know me in there.
Yeah, I know they do.
Yeah. So.
Oh dear.
So, yes, we had a cracking weekend. Like I say, we were there for the race. We enjoyed all the other races. We got talking to a few people in the pits. Yeah, so much interest in our memes. Supporting the channel. We had our banner up there, down there, while we were having a bit of a hydration session. Tailgating.
Beer up.
Yeah, good old beer up. The organisers were impressed. We were impressed. We're that impressed. We're already planning for next year. We've got something in the pipeline. We're not going to tell you just what yet, but we're going through the motions to build something better and faster. Because
And louder.
And louder.
Oh yes.
Because as the Mims had the aesthetics that I wanted, it just didn't quite have the pull. So we're going bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah, as you said, it's all right, but it could be bigger.
Yep.
So yes, that's where it is. I hope you enjoy the review, the walk through of the bike. Like I say, it's a bit hard where we are, so I can't have it up on the ramp or anything like that.
What's a bit hard?
Well, where we are to walk around it. It's
Oh,
a bit
right,
tight,
yeah,
so
yeah.
we did it out in the open.
Sorry, I was miles away then. I was talking about something else.
But this is it. We have returned to filming now. I know there was quite a long break, but we just had too many commitments, work, the project, helping out other YouTubers with their projects.
Because we're good like that.
Yeah, so this is giving it a vital round. Keep watching for. We've just released a little teaser of our latest purchase. Check that out, because that's going to be a good crack, that one, I think.
Yep. From one of our subscribers.
Yeah.
Yes.
We didn't get donated this one, but we.
Did we the last one then? Oh yeah, we did.
Yeah, we did that one. This one we're maybe walking past. Yeah, this one we.
Now, sort of off. They
Yeah.
ran away.
We've got, so that's going to be interesting. That one has been. All we can say is it's been stood up a long time.
What?
The next our new purchase.
Oh, the project. Yes.
Yeah. So anyway, so we've got that little teaser. We've got the new calf racer that hopefully we'll get cracking on soon. We're just kind of doing a few deals, getting the right bike at the moment, and all the old stuff. Or the Terra is still in the works. It looks more like a bike now, but it's not hanging from the ceiling.
Welcome to offers.
Yeah. the amount of bruised foreheads has dramatically dropped in the workshop.
Flash a bit of skin there.
Yeah, well, that should draw in some views.
Yeah.
The Billy's not here at the moment. He's keeping dog on the old studio.
Yeah.
Make sure the builders are doing it all right.
Yeah.
And yeah, anything else? Any other we might throw another how-to in there, or general
How to what?
How-to, well, exactly.
Oh, right.
Any suggestions? Comment below. Like and subscribe. Yeah, like I say, message us if you're interested. Email us.
Are we wrapping up now?
Yeah,
I just need to say like and subscribe.
yeah.
Don't be a stranger.
Yeah. Join us again. We are back, so prepare yourselves.
Sit up. You're slouching. That's
Sorry.
right. Twins.
Yeah. My boss looks.
I've got more hair.
Yeah. Rocking a new beard at the moment and a hat.
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah. And yes, so that's all from us. We're back. Like and subscribe. Find us on Facebook. Enjoy. Prepare yourselves. It's coming.
Of what?